Hello everybody, today we're going to practice writing to explain. So we're going to estimate fractions and explain how we decided on our estimates. So now let's take a look at this first one. If we take a look here, part of it shaded in here, I could think of it like this. If I cut this in half, it's going to be right about here. If I cut that in half again, we have this and this, so we know that first line here was a half. We know this is 1/4. Of course, this is 2/4. This is 3/4. So by looking at this, we know this is a little more than 1/4. We don't know exactly, but we're estimating. So if I was going to explain this, I'd probably explain it this way. The shaded part is about 1/4 because it is about half of 1/2 of the rectangle. Okay, let's take a look at this next one here. We have another one with another rectangle with part of it shaded in. So we're going to put in our benchmark fraction. So that means we're going to put a line down here. We're going to call this 1/2. We're going to cut that in half, and we have 1/4. Those are really easy to find, right? And if we cut this in half, right about there, this is going to be 3/4. Now if we take a look here, if we cut this in half here, we know that half of that 1/4 equals 2/8. So 1/2 of 1/4 would be an eighth. So we know right here is another eighth. So we could say, if we take a look at this here, we know we have 1/8. This would be 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8. So this would be 7/8. So I could say that this is about 7/8. So if I was going to write to explain this, I could say the shaded part is about 7/8 because it covers 3/4 plus about half of another fourth. Okay, so now that's how we write to explain estimating fractions. So now you have some problems to do. Good luck.